In this video, I am going to show you how to create multiple accounts on WhatsApp. Open WhatsApp and click on top right three dot. Now click on Settings. Now click on Accounts. Here you can see Add Account. Click on this. Again click on Add Account. Now you need to create and log your new account or other account. In this way, you can create and log in multiple accounts on WhatsApp.